Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to connect Firebase into React.js. Yeah, let's start. So let's consider this as a new project, so that I'm going to create a new folder, React Firebase. Copy that, and I'm going to create one file.js, and here RFC will create a basic function, and copy this function and go to index.js file. Here previously, in your case it might be a app.js. Okay, so I'll close this and I'll save this, and I'm running this project as well. npm start. Okay, so see, Firebase, React Firebase, this device displaying, right? So now I'm going to create a Firebase project. So go to firebase.google.com, this one, and here go to console, and initially you need to create your Firebase project, account, and after that click on create Firebase project, that one, and here give name as YTDB. Okay, this one is our Firebase project name, and click on continue. Scroll back, enable Gemini. If you want, you can enable. In my case I don't want, and here analysis also I don't want. Okay, click on create project. It is almost done. 5.8. Yep, it's done. Click on continue. Our Firebase DB is created. See here, our project name is YTDB. Okay, so now I'm going to connect this Firebase into our web project, so that you need to click on this web, this one, third icon. Here give project name anything. Okay, React DB, something like this, and click on register app. Then you will get some SDK. You need to paste that in your project. Yeah, first we need to install this. Copy that and open in your terminal and paste that and install. Meanwhile, I just copy this. This is our config file, so I need to copy this and paste this in our project. So create new file, and here Firebase config.js, and here paste that. So done. And if you want to insert a data, those things means we need to import Firebase Firestore. So import get Firestore, this one. Yep, we got this. Copy that, and here const database, and paste that, this import, and we need to pass this. This is our config, so it's like, this is like unique keys, and it is used to connect our React project into that specific Firebase project, this project. Okay, so paste that, and finally we need to export this. This is used to insert data into the Firebase. Okay, so export and this database, that's it. We exported this DB and everything. This is fine, and here scroll bit and click on continue. Finally we set up our Firebase into the React project. Yep, next video I'll show you how to do CRUD operation, also authentication, everything. Okay, I think this is what I tried to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.